I'm like forgetting about names today. Something like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. If you're new to my channel, hello, it's Nicole. Today I'm gonna be doing a video. As you can tell, yesterday I actually went to Morphe in Victoria Gardens, the mall, and I got some fun stuff that I've always wanted to try. So I figured I was gonna do a video today. I actually had planned another type of video, but since I bought that yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna film that and then film another video for Friday. Because if you didn't know, I changed my schedule. I'm now going to post videos Tuesdays and Fridays instead of Tuesdays and Thursdays, because Wednesdays I go to school all day and it's very hard for me like to actually like finish editing and filming and everything. It gets so like accumulated with schoolwork, so that's why I ended up you know, switching it to Friday, because I have like Thursdays and Fridays off, so I can like focus on Thursday for YouTube and then have it ready for Friday, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's just some rambling. So I'm gonna be starting with the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and well, enjoy it because you haven't seen it. But yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so yesterday I told you guys I went to Morphe and I was so excited. Like, Morphe is so freaking cheap and it's like good quality. It's not like a bad quality like makeup, you know. So it's like really cheap and it's like super good quality, so I feel like it's a win-win, seriously. So I got some fun stuff. Okay, so I really want to buy like the Morphe brushes, like the Jaclyn Hill's favorite brushes, but they're $155. I still haven't bought them, but I really wanted to try this brush. So this is the brush she always uses like to do her foundation, and I feel like it's a soft, like, oh my god, I'm so excited to do my makeup. So this is the Morphe M439. Oh my god, it's so soft, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. I also bought the Morphe setting spray. I don't know if you guys are like YouTube fans, but if you are, well, probably you are because you're watching this and you're in YouTube, so you know what I'm saying. But every single YouTuber has tried the Morphe setting spray because they say like it's the best setting spray ever, and I'm super bummed and excited about this setting spray. Like, you guys have no idea. I think I actually put it like on my Christmas wish list, I believe. I think so. I have no idea. But oh my god, I'm so excited, and this was only $15. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you guys, this one was, how much was it? It was like 10. Let me check the receipt. Okay, so this one was $14. I thought it was 10. And this one was 15, yeah. 14 and 15 so far. Only $30 for those two. Like, when in another place it would be like 50 already. Literally. Then I got this beautiful palette. Like, Morphe, you came through once again. I know there's like always the Morphe, like the big ones, but I ended up getting this one, like a smaller one, because I feel like on the bigger palettes there's like way more shades that I don't personally use. So I feel like I saw this palette and I feel like I can literally pull all the colors. Like, they're that pretty, all of them. So this is the palette. It's the 25B. It's super pretty, and this was only $18. $18. Like this, like let's say Anastasia did a palette like this, it'll be like $100. 18 freaking dollars for this, and it's like good quality. Like, it's Morphe. You guys know how good quality Morphe is. Like, mind blown. Last but not least, I got the beauty sponge from Morphe. Like, I wanted to try this beauty sponge for so long. I feel like every single YouTuber has it and they're always like, it's the best. They literally say it's even better than the beauty blender, and nobody ever says that. So I'm so excited. And this was only $7. $7. Really? Like a beauty blender is like $30. $7. And you guys don't even know, like I only spent with taxes, everything included, $58 with 19 cents. Bro, look at this. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so I already did like all my skincare routine and I put primer on because I really feel like if you put like you do your skincare like 40 minutes before or 30 minutes before you start your makeup, it'll be like so way much more different. It'll be like flawless and like natural. If you literally like do your skincare and then you jump into your like makeup, it'll be like cakey and it'll be like oily during the day. So what I do is I do like my skincare routine and then I put primer and then I just start like doing my hair, curling, nails, straightening, or whatever I have to do for that day. Or you can even just like eat or watch like a Netflix episode, whatever you want to do. So I use the Professional primer from Benefit. It's a very good one because I feel like I have like the tea like oily and the rest of my face like a little dry. I have my under eyes a little dry as well, so I put like eye cream over here, but I usually that wasn't even a burp. I almost like choked myself with my saliva. Okay, so moving on. No, going back. I have my T-zone oily, so I put my Professional like literally over here and over here, and it literally covers all of my pores. Like I have no pores, if you can tell. I usually like and prefer always doing my eyes first because if there's some like fallouts, you can just like easily remove it or something like with a makeup wipe. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer, you know, the usual Borderless Way from Too Faced because it's my favorite. Oh my god, I'm gonna use it. It's so good. I feel like it's like even more spongier. I use the Real Techniques one and it's like, I like this one. Well, I haven't even tried it, but it feels like spongier. I don't know. The thing I love is this pointy side, so you can just like do right here like your foundation. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna blend that out with the beauty sponge, beauty blender, whatever sponge you've got. That's what you're gonna do. Beautiful. Flawless. I'm gonna be passing to my translucent powder and I'm just gonna set that with some brush, which I can't find. Found her, she was hidden in my bag. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the translucent powder to set that, the eyes so they don't crease, like, you know, the eyeshadow. You don't want your eyeshadow to crease, don't you? You wanna set your concealer, if it's creasing, you wanna blend it out until you see like no creases, because if you set it when it's creasing, it'll literally stay creasing all day no matter what you do. So you just blend that out and then set it with some powder. If you guys know me and you've seen my videos for a while, you know I like putting tape on so that it has like the harsh line, because you know you want to be pointy, ugly. I'm gonna be starting with my Morphe palette. Oh my god. So I'm gonna be getting one of my brushes from Vanity Planet. I'm gonna be getting this one that's like a precisive brush. I'm gonna be getting the first and the third shade in the palette and using it to define my crease. This beautiful grayish kind of color, and do it like more on my outer V, but as soon as I'm finishing like with my outer V, I'm gonna bring it a little bit like to the inner corner as well. I'm gonna be getting like a more thin kind of brush so I can put it like literally define my crease. So I'm gonna be doing like a cut crease, not cut crease. So I'm gonna be getting this brush from the Vanity Planet collection. I'm gonna be getting like this maroon kind of shade. Then I'm going to be getting this Vanity Planet brush as well. I'm just going to be getting the lightest shade of the palette. And I'm going to be putting it all over my crease. Now I'm just going to be getting a brownie shade from the palette and putting it mostly on my outer corner, I mean. Now I'm going to be getting the same brush I used for the cut crease, and I'm going to be getting this shimmery shade. Put it like in the same cut crease line I made, but only like in the inner portion of my eye, not in the outer. Okay, now I'm just going to be blending the outer portion of my eye with some blending brush. Now I can take off this tape for my eyes. So I'm going to be getting my Urban Decay foundation, and it's in the shade 4.0. A moment of truth. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be putting on some foundation. That's crazy. Oh my god, it really blends it out so good. Like if you really want a brush for your foundation, for sure get the Morphe 430M. It's the M430M. Okay, now passing back to my concealer, just gonna be putting like a little portion down my dark circles. I'm going to put around my nose and on my nose. So I'm going to be using this pointy part to blend that out. Concealer, the Tarte one in the shade Light Medium Honey, just to highlight like my inner portion of my face. So I'm just going to be doing the tip of my nose. I put way too much there, but then I'm going to be putting some on my cubic bone, on my chin, on my inner corner of my eyes, and a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it out, and I'm gonna be leaving the eyes for last. Now I'm just gonna be setting my makeup with some Mary Kay translucent powder. So I'm just going to be setting like the places I put some concealer and highlighted. I'm just going to be setting my whole entire face with some loose powder, but this is not like a white one. It's actually like a tone one. The same exact brush, and I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit to bronze my face. And now I'm going to be using this angled flat brush from, I believe, Real Techniques. And I'm going to be using my NARS blush and putting it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to be getting this brush from Banyan Planet as well. And I'm just going to be like blending all of my powders and all that fun stuff from my face together. Because you don't want harsh lines, like, it's just like eyeshadow. You want a harsh light on your like eyelids. You don't want harsh lights on your face as well. Now I'm going to be getting my What's Up, my favorite highlight, my favorite cream highlight, and I'm just gonna be applying it with my finger where I usually highlight. Be blending it out a little bit. Just gonna be putting some brow gel on my brows so they're set in place all day. I'm going to be getting my Morphe palette again. I'm going to be using the one I use for the cut crease, and I'm going to be getting the same red color for my lower lash line. You want to connect this harsh line up here to the bottom lash line. Just gonna blend it with a blending brush so it's not like a harsh line. So it's not like a harsh line. I think you guys didn't even understand what I said. To be brushing my eyelash extensions because I can't wear mascara, so I just brush them a little bit. The funnest part of the entire video, I'm going to be using my Morphe setting spray to set my makeup. Wow, that's so good, and it smells so good too. So you just want to like literally give it wind so it dries up, and just pat a little bit more. Getting a makeup wipe to take out my makeup for my lips so I can put lipstick on, because I don't like that. Like some people just put like lipstick on top of the foundation, like on your lips, and no girl, that looks awful. And now I'm going to put some Vaseline a little bit. I'm going to be getting my Tarte, it's like a mini Tarte lipstick. It's in the shade Beach Babe. So I'm going to be getting this color for my inner corner. Okay, you can't miss that. You have to glow those eyes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can like subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button so you get notified every time I post. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hold tight when you tiptoe.